And now we are turning to something much closer to home. The Robert Young Center and the Center for Alcohol and Drug Services are organizations within Unity Point Health. These teams treat issues of mental health as well as substance use disorders. So think of things like licensed counselors, social workers, RNs, and a whole lot more. And they've got several locations here in the Quad Cities as well as a center in Muscatine. Recently, the Robert Young Center was selected by the federal government to join the Certified Community Behavioral Health Clinic Demonstration Project. It's a lot of words, but basically this will expand and improve access to mental health and substance abuse services. But to effectively do that, a lot more people need to be hired on. In fact, there's around 100 positions that need to be filled. And that is why Marianne Halpin, Manager of Community-Based Services at Robert Young, is joining us here in studio. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
I do want to give a quick disclaimer that my partner is a mental health counselor at Robert Young, but we still cover the center like we would any other. So let's start with the amount of openings. Why are there so many open job positions?
Yeah, we have around 100 positions available across the Iowa, Illinois, Quad City, Muscatine region, and the Robert Young Center, Center for Alcohol and Drug Services as well, or CADS. So as you mentioned, we were selected recently by the federal government to take part in a Certified Community Behavioral Health Clinic Demonstration Project in both Iowa and Illinois. So that program is designed to improve access to services for mental health needs and substance use disorder needs. So the hiring event is to hire folks to meet those program requirements and also serve that need in our community.
And this is for jobs both in Iowa and Illinois?
Correct, yes, yep, Quad City region and Muscatine region.
Let's talk about how big the need is in the community right now. How important is it that you get these positions filled?
Yes, definitely. Over the years, both nationally and locally, we have seen an increase in demand for services, both mental health needs and substance use disorder needs, and our community is no different. So we definitely see the need for those services here in the Quad Cities and Muscatine region, and thus the need to hire qualified professionals to serve that need.
Are you seeing a lot of wait lists at the centers right now?
There are some wait lists for some of the programs, yes. Yeah.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
So tell me about the hiring fair that you have coming up.
Yeah, so it will be held on Thursday, September 27th from 4 to 7 p.m. It'll be at the Robert Young Center Community Support Program building in Rock Island. So we will have managers on site for on-the-spot interviews for folks. We'll be hiring for a variety of positions. We have nurse positions, licensed counselors, substance use disorder counselors, social workers, care coordinators, mental health professionals, peer recovery specialists, quite a few different positions.
When people hear a Unity Point Health job fair, you might automatically assume it's in a hospital setting, but that's not the case for all of these jobs, is it?
Correct, yes. So yeah, we have outpatient clinics, crisis services, community-based and residential treatment opportunities available.
So if someone shows up to the hiring fair, what should they bring? How should they prepare?
Yeah, definitely. So a person who comes should bring their resume. As I mentioned, we have department managers right there on site to do those on-the-spot interviews. We'll be prepared to talk about your qualifications, your work experience, and your work goals, and see if you might be a good fit for our team. We also encourage those who will be graduating soon, who are interested in professional opportunities at the Robert Young Center to attend as well.
I know it's a wide range because you've got so many job openings in different positions, but what is the level of education that you're looking for?
Yeah, we have a wide variety in those positions. So some positions don't require a bachelor's degree, some are bachelor degree level, some are master's level. We have the nursing position, so I would think there's something for every educational level who's interested in serving the mental health population.
Marianne, one more time, can you give the time and the date?
Yeah, absolutely. Thursday, September 26th from 4 to 7 p.m. In Rock Island at the Community Support Program building.
Well, I thank you so much for your time and coming down here today. It's clearly very important that we get these positions filled and can reach more people throughout the community.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
And for you guys at home, we have all the information you need to know about this hiring fair up on our website. All you got to do is click on the As Seen on TV tab.